tuned in, girl. Let's get it.
I love the way that SISTERLOCKS look. Back with another video. Hey, what's up? What's going on? Thanks for clicking onto my channel once again. I am traveling around because I want to talk to you about the reasons why I decided to get SISTERLOCKS. Let's go. Okay, so the main reason why I got my SISTERLOCKS is because I love them, obviously. But it's like you spent all that money, you cut your hair just to get some more locks in your head. Why? Why? Stay tuned so I can tell you why. Okay. I had no idea at all that I was gonna pay $820 for some SISTERLOCKS. In my head, in my heart, and in my mind, in my soul, all that, I had planned on spending $550. So, be real deal Holyfield with you, that's one of the reasons why I settled for my traditional locks, because I didn't want to spend that much money on getting SISTERLOCKS. I knew it was going to be expensive. I didn't know how much it was going to be at all, but I knew it was going to be expensive. But once I started saving my coins, I was thinking $550 should be enough. I ain't got that much hair, so $550 should be good. But when she told me $750, but then I end up spending $820 because of lies and all that. Well, we ain't got time to go back and forth to that story. If you don't know my story, maybe I'll do a new story time because about the whole thing. I'm gonna do a new story time about the whole thing because I made a video about my installation detail, and I know a lot of people probably watched that, but I have came so far from that. So I think I'm gonna just tell a whole story time of how everything went down and where I'm at, how I feel and all that. So come back for that if you want to. Subscribe, because you know how we get down on this channel. We get lit. Drop down that fire emoji so then you can show me that you like this channel too, because we get lit. Stay live, all the way live on this channel. You know how we do. You know. Oh, that's side match my nails. That's side match my nails. But yeah, so
They won't let me out. They won't let me out. They won't let me out. No.
honestly, I feel that you have to. I did a lot of research on SISTERLOCKS, and I ended up coming back to SISTERLOCKS after all that. 4 years of researching, of wanting them, of desperately watching videos and all that, and I finally got what I wanted. Even though I had to go through the struggle, but sometimes everything that's good ain't glistening to go. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes when it's worth it, you gotta work it. Decided to get SISTERLOCKS because of the fullness, because of the volume. I didn't have this fullness and volume when I had traditional locks, honey. And it's a different look. Like, no matter what, I feel like when you see SISTERLOCKS, you can tell she got SISTERLOCKS. You can see Brother Locks, you be like, he got Brother Locks. It's a different look. You know, it gives your hair a different look. Also, I love having all these nice parts. I love being able to style my hair. I was able to style my hair the next day after my installation, my establishment. I was able to. Another big reason why I have SISTERLOCKS and I decided to get SISTERLOCKS is you don't need to use product. You don't need to put any gels, creams, oils, detangling spray. I don't have to comb my hair. I know I told y'all that a lot of times, but do y'all understand this? Like, I don't have to worry about combing my hair. Like, is there even, like, do I need to say anything more? I think that's it. The video's a wrap. I don't have to comb my hair. I don't have to buy products. So the money that I spent on getting a SISTERLOCKS installation and getting my reties is still a good price because I saved so much on not buying products, not buying weaves and wigs and this and this and this and that. and not going to different stylists and African beauty shops and all that type of stuff to hope that my hair turns out nice. Now I'm guaranteed that my hair gonna look cute because it's cute. So that's why I got Sisterlocks. Y'all, I've been trying to just keep it real 100 as much as I possibly can because that's all I know how to do. And honestly, you have to do your own research and figure out if this is the best thing for you and for your hair, how much money you want to spend, how much research you want to do, how much you really care about your hair. Because if this is something that you're really interested in, then do it. Why not? You know what I'm saying? I didn't have to spend as much to get it installed, but at the same time, I would have spent that on something. You know what I'm saying? It would have been spent. But now I invested it in myself and in my own beauty and in my hair, and I feel incredible. I feel different.
I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's a new me. It's a new me, boo. It's a new me. So make sure that if this is for you, you check out what people have to say, good or bad. You cannot base someone else's journey on how your journey is going to be. So don't say, oh, she did her bogus, so I'm not getting Sisterlocks. What happened to me ain't got nothing to do with you. You know what I'm saying? So it may or may not happen to you, but if you take the chance, then you'll never know. You might just win. And my Sisterlocks are not perfect. I do have some parts that I think that should be more straight and this and that, but they are just right for me, okay? They are just right for me. Like every time I get my hair done, if I don't do it myself, and sometimes when I do it myself, I see mistakes. You know, it's just like, I don't know, I'm picky like that or whatever, I don't know. But regardless of whatever mistake she made, whatever bad things happened to me during this situation, nothing can make me say that I wish I never got my Sisterlocks. I do not have a regret at all from getting my Sisterlocks. I really wish I would have got them sooner. I wish I would have not been cheap and got my traditional locks put in by my friend for free. Because I'm like, she doing it for free, well, I'm going to get some Sisterlocks for her when I got to spend nothing. And so I wasted all that time because I want to be cheap and not spend what I need to spend to make sure that I got what I wanted. And now that I have, y'all, I'm telling you, I feel beautiful. Like, I didn't do nothing to my hair today. Look at this. It's growing like crazy. And I think it's going on 3 weeks since I had my, I think it's about to be 3 weeks since I had my retie. So you can see, you can't see my scalp. It's just, this is my hair. This is my hair. Like, unless I part it. If I part it, if I part it, you can see it. You know what I'm saying? But you can't see it from a mile away. But that's okay. I like it like this. I do. I like it like this. I can't wait to see what this journey brings me. I'm here to just give you whatever you need. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, if you have any video suggestions, drop them down in the comments right now so we can go ahead and get that started. The faster you drop them, the faster I can make them. Okay? Okay. All right. Have a great day.